Welcome back to How to Daily. If you are looking to withdraw Dog's coin from your Telegram wallet, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to safely and easily withdraw your coins. Start by opening your Telegram wallet, navigate to your Dog's coin balance, and click on it to bring up the withdrawal options. Now select the withdraw options from the menu. You will be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your Dog's coin. Make sure to double check this address to avoid any mistakes. Enter the amount of Dog's coin you wish to withdraw, and some wallets might also ask for a memo or tag. If that is required, make sure you input it correctly. Now, review the transaction details one last time, then confirm and submit the withdrawal. Depending on network conditions, the transaction may take a few minutes to complete. And that is how you withdraw Dog's coin from your Telegram wallet. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.